General Director of Nuifao Assist Tungsten Chemical Manufacturing LLC. Firstly, thanks for participation today.
I thank you for inviting me.
Yes. Dear sirs, Nuifao Assist is known as rising tungsten manufacturer of the world, which is joint venture of Nuifao Mining, a Vietnamese company, and SCC, a German company. Could you say something about the process of formation and development of the company?
Yes, I would like to. As you know, Nuifao Mining Company has got the biggest tungsten mine in the world. It belongs to Masan Resources, a very big private company here in Vietnam, Masan Group, and they have got the sources, the raw material sources. On the other hand, HC Stark from Germany is a technology leader in the tungsten field, has got about 100 years experience in the tungsten field, and we, the joint venture, with our two parents, Nuifao Mining and HC Stark, get on one hand the resources, on the other hand the technology, and we are really pleased with that. In 2012, the MOU negotiations started between Nuifao Mining and HC Stark. In 2013, the MOU was signed, and HC Stark signed a know-how agreement to transfer the technology. In January 2014, the investment certificate was granted from the Taiwan People's Committee. And finally, in July, beginning of July 2014, the company was started.
Yeah. How is the competitive advantage of Nuifao Assist GV in the international market as you are newly established in the company?
Yes, it's a very good question, but it's very easy to answer, because about 80% of the world market in tungsten will be supplied from China. And the whole Western world wants an alternative supplier to the Chinese suppliers. And we have got here with Nuifao one of the biggest, not one of the biggest tungsten mine worldwide. That means we are a stable, secure supplier for consumers in America, Europe and Japan.
Yes. During the press tour from the market, the decrease in price of tungsten products to 38% in 2015 affects the production and business activity of the company.
Yes, as I said before, we started production in basically May 2015. That means half a year we still were in construction commissioning phase, and a half a year we were selling our material to our main off-taker, which is HC Stark. So we had no problem in supplying the material and having an off-taker. Additionally, our conversion costs are world leading, so our conversion costs in between off-take price and supply price of the raw material is positive.
Yes. You are known for taking the leadership responsibility of HC Stark from April 2015 and having management experience in various countries. Could you say something about your working process before getting test of the company in Taiwan?
Now we have to go back very much in history, because I'm already quite old.
Yeah.
So I've got about 35 years experience in this field. Originally I worked at the university, graduated in mining engineering and mineral processing, worked in university and R&D, was sent to Australia for building up a mining company, was sent for 4 years to South Africa, where I led First Alpine mining and tunneling. From there I was 4 years in India, where I also built up a mining and refractory company. From there I went for 3 years to United States.
Yeah.
Thereafter I was 5 years in Austria, board director of Swarovski Group. Thereafter 6 years in Thailand. Thereafter 3 years in China, in always in this type of industries.
Yes.
So at the end, I can say lots of experience, lots of knowledge in this field, in these industries.
Yes. In 2016, in the context of general difficulty of the economy, how do you assess the operation and business of the company in the first half of the year?
We are not only, let's say, knowledgeable, but we also blessed a little bit by luck, I have to say. Because in 2016, the prices, the notations increased. They increased to a value above $200, which was very positive for us. So the first half of the year, we are producing above design levels, considerably above design levels. We are completely sold out. We have got two main off-takers and many small companies. And our financial situation, we've got very good cash flow situation, and our P&L looks very, very positive.
Yes. How do you assess the potential of Núi Pháo polymetallic mine in Taiwan in the present and the future?
As I said before, Núi Pháo mine is the biggest tungsten mine in the world. Additionally, they have got other minerals, 3 or 4 other economically exploitable minerals, which are very profitable, and therefore the future of the mine is a great one. It will contribute in future, not only in future, already now, but also in the foreseeable future, heavily to the employment of the people, both in Hatong district as well as in Bang Nguyen province.
Yeah. Once more time, thank you very much for the participation today.